Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to create quickly. Open Google Forms or Drive, sign in and select blank form or a template. Once done, name the form at the top so responses map to a clear purpose. This helps later when filtering. Make sure to set the form's description to tell respondents what to expect. Next, add your first question using the plus button, choose type and required toggle. These first steps establish structure and ownership before adding content. Now you'll expand the form, add diverse question types to capture the right data, and vary required settings. Once a set of related questions exists, insert sections to organize and control flow. Use Go to Section based on answer to direct respondents conditionally. Make use of response validation to enforce formats like numbers or email text, and shuffle options if you need randomized choices. These middle steps finish by configuring settings. Choose whether to collect emails, limit to one response, and customize confirmation text. Once configured, preview the form to test every path and set the response destination to a new or existing Google Sheet for analysis. Share via link, email, or embed code. If something breaks, check sharing permissions and validation rules first. Make sure sections route correctly and required toggles aren't blocking progress. That one troubleshooting check fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.